Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new session in which we will try to find out the value of log 1728 to the base 2 root 3. So, we have to calculate the value of this log. So, we will stick with the basics. So, as we know that log 1728 base 2 root 3 is a number. So this is what? This is a number. So this number when raised on b 2 root 3 power x. So when we will raise this number x on base 2 root 3, we will get 1728. Okay. Now we have to break down 1728 into the product of 2 root 3. So we will go with the prime factorization of 1728. Okay. So look at this. Like you know that last two number is divisible by 2, sorry 2, so it is divisible by 2. We'll go with 4 because last two digit is also divisible by 4, so that we can solve this problem bit quickly. So it is 4 3 2. Again we'll divide by 4, so 1 0 8. Again we will divide by 4, so it is 2 and 7, and then 3 9 3 3. So look at this, just be very careful. So can I write down this thing as 4 power 3? So this 4 power 3 will become what? 2 power 6. So 2 power 6. We want 2, so we have 2. And then we will go with 3 power 3. But we want root 3. So can I write root 3 square and power 3? We are writing 3 as root 3 square. So can I write down this thing as root 3 power 6? So root 3 power 6. Now you know that the power is same, so base will be multiplied. Correct now? So I will write 2 root 3 base multiplied power 6. So 2 root 3 power x. So now can I guys compare the powers? X equals to 6. Therefore the value of this log is nothing but 6. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.